the bigger thing I think over the next few days is going to be the heat as opposed to the rain. It's one or the other. It seems like in the summer. Tomorrow we have a heat advisory 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Our feels like temperature could be up to 110 or so on Sunday without a whole lot of rain around, and maybe even less rain on Monday and Tuesday with a temperature or feels like temperature nearing 115, and air temperatures Monday and Tuesday maybe around 97 or 98. So a lot of heat coming, but then rain does return for the second part of the week, just like we've seen the past 3 weeks. The week before last, this past week, and then this week coming up. Similar in the dry and hot start, and then more rain around later in the week. Temperatures right now not bad though, in the 80s, thanks to some scattered rain. Not everyone got it today, but if you did, it really helped out, at least briefly, with the showers and storms bringing that heat down. Radar is showing that one thunderstorm around Laplace and actually another one just out nearing Lake Maurepas now, close to the Lutcher area. So these have been moving from the south to the north, and then we also have a little bit outside of Slidell into the St. Bernard kind of area, and most of this will be wrapping up. We had a lot more out there earlier today. Forecast tonight, we're dropping through the 80s. Tomorrow, warm and humid north and south of Lake Pontchartrain. Our temperatures getting into the middle to upper 70s for lows. And I have tomorrow our high temperature about 95, maybe feeling like about 110. Slight chance for a few showers and storms, which I'll show you in a second. But here's the culprit, that familiar big high pressure center, which tomorrow will be just to the east of us, sending in those southeast winds, keeping us humid and hot. Then as we move into Monday and Tuesday, it just nudges over to the west. And for those 2 days, we will actually, around the high, start to get north winds, and that makes the air dry out farther up in the atmosphere and allows heating to happen more efficiently. So that's why Monday and Tuesday are looking a lot, or a little bit hotter at least. And then later in the week, the high pushes off to the west. And what do we have but yet another low pressure area, an easterly wave riding toward us from the Florida area and bringing us more tropical kind of moisture to fuel some showers and storms that will cool us down. So very familiar kind of pattern again moving into this week. Our precision cast through this evening and tonight is showing not a lot of rain. This particular model, our graph model, actually does have a few showers and storms tomorrow. You can see by 2 p.m. it has a couple of those out there, but some models are going almost completely dry for tomorrow. So I kept our rain chance tomorrow about 20%. If you do get a shower or storm, it'll help you out with the heat. If not, you'll just be sizzling all afternoon. Also, speaking of that moisture coming at the end of the week, we've had this pattern the past couple of weeks where we've had tropical disturbances sending moisture in, and then it kind of wraps around and circles back. And look at this, we're kind of seeing a somewhat similar pattern happen yet again. So this is our available moisture into Thursday with that orange color showing that deeper tropical moisture. And at the end of the week, we will increase those rain chances and might get a few of those pretty impressive, pretty good downpour kind of thunderstorms toward the end of the week as well. That should bring our high temperatures back to just below average. High temperatures Wednesday through the end of the week, maybe around 90, and our overnight lows thankfully getting more into the middle 70s. So that'll give us a break at least at nighttime, and then we won't heat up quite so much during the day. Do be ready though for the heat, I would say, in the next 3 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is just going to be really hot. Take it easy outside. Drink lots of water. You know what to do, but we will not get all that much break in the heat from those afternoon storms.
I am not